Hey, what's going on, you guys? In this video, I'm going to be talking about how you can start to make money with email marketing in 2019. So let's get it. Hey, what's going on, you guys? Benjamin here with Motivational Marketer, and in this video, I'm going to be sharing the formula to make money with email marketing. Now, I know most people might think that email marketing is outdated, it doesn't work, it's dead, or whatever the case may be. But I want you to keep this in mind. Whenever you buy something online, the majority of the time, you have to enter in your email address. The reason why companies do this is not only so you can track your order when it gets shipped to you, but also so they do this so they can advertise to you about sales and promotions that they have in the future. Now, a lot of major companies do this, whether it's Walmart, Target, Best Buy, or Amazon. So if you ever bought something online from Best Buy before and you entered in your email address, they're going to be sending you emails talking about sales and promotions that they have going on and why you should take action to buy those products before the sale's over. So let's say that you've seen a laptop from Best Buy that you wanted to buy, but now they sent you an email letting you know that it's on sale and you should take action because it's a one-day sale. You're more likely to buy that laptop because you want to take advantage of that sale. And this is what email marketing is. And I'm going to show you how you guys can use email marketing to start making more sales. But before I go any further into this video, I just want to let you guys know if you're interested in learning different methods when it comes to making money online, then I invite you to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so you can be notified when I upload new videos. Okay, so let me talk about how you can use email marketing to make more sales. Now there's a few things that you're gonna need. And the first one is a product. You need a product to sell, and this is something that you're gonna be promoting in your emails to get people to buy from you. Because the majority of people don't buy something online the first time that they're exposed to it. It takes multiple exposures before somebody's ready to make a buying decision. So, the second thing that you need is a free offer. So this is something that you're going to be giving away for free that is, one, going to add value, and two, is going to be related to the product or the niche that you're promoting. Now, a few examples of a free offer can be an ebook that people can read, a video that they can watch, or even a survey that somebody can take. So let's say that the product that you picked is a weight loss supplement. So an example that you can do is have an ebook that somebody can read talking about 10 exercises that will help them lose weight. Or it can be a video that they can watch where you're showing them, you're demonstrating to them 10 exercises that's going to help them lose weight. Or your free offer can be a survey that people can take so they can see how physically fit that they are. Now, all of these are great examples of a free offer. So the third thing that you're going to need is an email software service. So this is where you want to invest money into an email software service so it can send out emails on an automated sequence for you. But the beauty about email software services is that they don't just only provide autoresponder sequences for you, but they also provide landing pages. They allow you to create an email list, and they allow you to send out a broadcast email, which is a one-time email to everybody that's on your email list. And I'll go more into detail about building a landing page in another video, but a few email software services that you can check out are going to be MailChimp, GetResponse, Aweber, and Sendlane. Now, all of these services have their own plans and pricing, so you can check out whichever one would work best for you. So let me give you guys a visual of how all of this should look when you have it set up right. So first, you're going to have your landing page where people are going to come to. Now, as I mentioned, a landing page is going to be provided by the email software services. So people are going to come to your landing page. They're going to see your free offer right here. So let's say, for the example of this video, your free offer what you're promoting is a weight loss supplement, and your free offer is a video that people can watch where you're demonstrating 10 exercises to help them lose weight. So your free offer is a video right here. The title is going to be right there at the top, and right here on your landing page is going to be an area where they have to enter in their email address. So in order for somebody to get access to that video, they have to enter in their email address. And once they enter in their email address, they're going to be redirected to another page, which is referred to as a thank you page. Now, this is where you're going to want to promote your product. You should let people know that, hey, if you're struggling to lose weight, here's where you can get started. And you just promote your product right here and let them know that you're giving them a one-time special discount offer. And most likely, they're not going to buy that product because, as I mentioned, most people don't buy something the first time that they're exposed to it. So they don't buy your product, and that's fine. So they're redirected to watch your free offer, which is your video. But now they're also added on to your email list, where they're going to be receiving your autoresponder sequence. And once again, you can create an email list from an email software service. So we have somebody come to our landing page, they entered in their email address to watch the video. They went to the thank you page, but they didn't buy the product. So now they're going to be receiving the autoresponder email service. So, and this is where you want to add value into each one of your emails that you send out to them. And the beauty about an autoresponder sequence is that you can have it set up to be sent out to the person once a day, twice a day, twice a week, once a month. It all depends on how you set it up. So when you send out your emails to the people on your list, make sure that you're delivering value and you give a call to action at the end of each one of your emails. So a call to action is just letting people know that they should take action to buy your product because it's going to benefit them, or you have a special offer that's not going to be around forever. So let's say somebody receives the first email. So for example, since we're talking about weight loss, your first email can talk about healthy foods that promote weight loss. And then you want to give a call to action at the end of that email. You can simply say, if you're tired of struggling with losing weight, click here to get started with the solution to your problem. And then you have a link that's going to take that person to the product page of that weight loss supplement. Now let's say somebody opens up this email, they read the email, but they don't click on that link. Then they're going to receive the second email from your autoresponder email sequence. And the second email can talk about something like healthy eating habits. And same thing, you're going to give a call to action at the end of your email. And if they don't buy, they're going to receive the next email. And you're going to keep on doing this over and over and over again. And when you do this, you start to build trust with the person that's reading those emails. And when you build trust with somebody, with the people on your email list, they're more likely to buy the product that you're promoting. And this is how you make money with email marketing. And there's a whole lot of technical stuff that goes into this whole method, but for the sake of time, I just wanted to explain to you guys how you can use email marketing to start making money online. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys learned something new and got some kind of value out of it. And if you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and let me know down in the comments below what you guys thought about this method. And if you're interested in my #1 recommendation when it comes to making a full-time income online, then you can check out the link in the top of the description. So that's pretty much it for this video. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.